Hi guys, welcome to Soft Jobs. In this video I am going to tell you about Cvent recruitment. Cvent is hiring for associative product consultant. Let's see what is the eligibility criteria, compensation offered, qualification and passed out year. One by one we will see now. Before going to our discussion, for more job updates, subscribe to our channel Soft Jobs. Let's go into our discussion. Designation is associative product consultant and compensation CTC 5.5 lakhs per annum. Coming to qualification or degree, BTech in CS, IT, ECE, EEE or MCA or BA, BCom, BBA, BCA, BSc, IHM, BHM or mass communication or any vocational course. Coming to eligibility criteria, 65% throughout with no backlogs. Batch or passed out year is 2020 or 2021 pass outs. About Cvent. Cvent is privately held software as a service company that specializes in meeting, events and hospitality management technology. The company offers web-based software for meeting site selection, online event registration, event management, email marketing and web surveys. If you want to know more about the company, I will give link in the description. Go through it. Now we will see what is the job description. We have multiple associate product consultant positions for graduates in our client services department. For event management software product, you shall either be a part of team that supports clients over the phone and email on the Cvent event management software, or will be responsible for implementing their event requirements in tool and sharing best practices with them. Client services team. Our team over 350 product consultants, analysts and relationship manager is a close knit group of dynamic and high energy professionals. They are going to hire bright people who are willing to learn, are extremely motivated to succeed. They have people from various educational backgrounds including computer information systems, psychology and communications. Position duties are support client over the phone and email by answering their product questions and offering technical assistance. Offer best practice tips to client to boost their meeting attendance via Cvent's marketing engine. Gather client requirements for future releases of the product. Create and maintain all product documentation. Implement and manage the online portion of client events as and when needed. You gather client requirements and implement them in Cvent event management software. Communicate with the client and review the initial implementation with them and make required changes. And provide suggestions to the client to improve the overall result of the implementation and help client meet their goals. Document all communication with the client in Cvent CRM software. Now we will see what are the candidate requirements. Excellent communication skills in both verbal and written. Graduate or undergraduate 0 to 1 year experience with strong analytical and logical skills. Experience in US customer service is added advantage but not mandatory. Preference would be given to the candidates who have prior experience of having traveling, studied or worked abroad. Strong business acumen, ethics and high integrity and high comfort level in using online software products. Must be articulate, organized, detailed oriented and can multitask. Should be a quick learner with a positive attitude and ability to work well within a team. Now we will see what are the other benefits provided by the company. Other benefits are reimbursement on work from home infrastructure, COVID insurance coverage for employees, paid time off and calendar holidays. Compensation for BTech 5.5 lakhs per annum with benefits. BA, BCom, BBA, BCA, BHM and BSc 4.5 lakhs per annum with benefits. Training and service agreement for this job is 2.5 years against a breach clause of 2.8 lakhs and training is 6 months. Coming to interview process would be conducted in 2 days. First day 4 tests: English test, CCAT, Versant test and product test. Coming to second day, 2 rounds of interviews and shift timings is 24/7 rational shifts. If you are interested, click on apply now button and apply for this job. If you have any doubts, comment in the comment section. Apply link given in the description. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, hit on like button and share. For more updates, don't forget to subscribe our channel Soft Jobs.